Okay, now we will call once again our top 5, but top 6, because we will insert candidate or Beanie Beanie 2. Beanie Beanie 2 is still in the run. Please come out, Beanie Beanie 2, because you are still up for the challenge. I see the excitement of the audience. Your journey to the elusive ground is not yet done, Beanie Beanie 2. Now that's such a plus point, Ina, right? Getting the exemplary award and being able to proceed and to the top 5, top 6 rather. That's really something, and it's really your lucky day if you have that opportunity, right? I know, Maurice, the stars really aligned with Miss Beanie Beanie. Kaya naman, tawagin natin siya ulit because you are still up and you are still in the game. At dahil dyan, Beanie Beanie 2. So while waiting for Beanie Beanie 2, I think we should now call on Beanie Beanie 6 in front. Para kausapin in a while, Beanie Beanie 6. Alright, Beanie Beanie 6, your question will come from the chairman of the board, Attorney Trinidad. Okay, wait, wala ba si Beanie Beanie? So, Beanie Beanie 6, ayan. Are you feeling nervous?
1% nervous, but 99% excited.
More exciting feeling. All applause for Beanie Beanie 2. Is this your first time joining a pageant? Candidate number, or Beanie Beanie number 6?
It's actually my second time.
Second time, but for Beanie Beanie Claveria, this is your first time. Alright, so how does it feel? I know that it's different the second time around, but from what you've learned from your first pageant, what is actually something that you brought to the second pageant?
Of course, my confidence.
And that will be here, truly. So, Beanie Beanie 2, excited ka? Natutuwa? Ay, hindi yan narinig. Perfect, and now we can begin. Again, Attorney Trinidad for the question.
Good evening, Beanie Beanie number 6. How are you?
I'm feeling good right now.
Okay, this will be your question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Beanie Beanie Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure for its implementation? I repeat the question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete with her principle and advocacies. If you win Beanie Beanie Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation?
Thank you. I see Beanie Beanie Claveria more than just a beauty pageant. I see this pageant as a platform to amplify the concerns of my community, to champion the causes that really matter. And for that, I would implement my advocacy as a sustainable fashion, which is our Abaca products, which is being known by now. And with that, I can encourage our youth and visitors, of course, to be proud of our roots and origin. Because I believe that once a Claveriano will always be a Claveriano.
I'm calling on Beanie 10. question will be coming from our Chair of the Board of Judges, Attorney Trinidad.
Good evening, Binibini. Kumusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Okay, this will be your question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without principle and advocacies. If you win Binibini Claveria 2024, what would be your advocacy? And how will you ensure its implementation? I repeat, a Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Binibini Claveriana or Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy? And how will you ensure its implementation?
My advocacy will be self-empowerment because I believe that self-empowerment comes from our within. And in that, I believe that we can create Claveria a better place to make everyone feel safe, loved, and valued. Thank you. Thank you so much, Binibini 10. Please remove the headphones of Binibini 14. And please come at the center stage. Your question will come from the chairman of the Board of Judges, Attorney Trinidad. Alright. Okay, we heard you. We want fair pay. We heard you. Alright. 2. Alright, I think we're good. Attorney?
Again, good evening, Binibini number 40.
Good evening.
Kumusta ka?
I'm fine.
Okay. This will be your question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Binibini Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation? I will repeat the question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Binibini Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation?
Good evening, everyone. Ever since I joined this pageant, I have already advocacy, which I call ECO, educating the youth, caring the old. Every child deserves quality education, and our elders also deserve our care. Through partnering with different organizations like KKLAC, we can include the youth in the process. And through the program of our municipal mayor, Claveria Cares, we can include our elders to be cared for. I believe, ladies and gents, that the youth and the elders can learn from each other. The past can learn from the future, and the future can learn from the past. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini 14. Now calling on Binibini 16. Sorry. Binibini 9. Binibini 9. Ayan. Good evening, Binibini 9. Your question will be coming from our Board of Judges, Attorney Trinidad.
Isa pa pang palang ng Binibini 9.
Good evening.
How are you?
I really feel jovial as of now because I can see in the faces of the people that they are really having fun because we really work hard for this and I hope you guys are very proud of us. Thank you.
That's not the final question. This will be your final question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Binibini Claveria 2024, what will be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation? I will repeat the question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If If you win Binibining Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation?
I am committed to improving the equal opportunities for the poor and marginalized sector of our society, especially the women and the children. This cause is close to my heart, which I've been championing for a very long time. I have been advocating for their rights and amplifying their voices, and I believe these efforts have led to positive changes. Tonight, I stand before you, urging you to join this cause, make informed decision, and fight for social protection. And I will work also closely with the government to support this initiative, to make policies and to make changes. And together, we will create a trailblazing path towards a thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 9. Maybe call on. Candidate number 16. Candidate number 16. Question is from the chair of the board, Attorney Trinidad.
Good evening, candidate number 16. Kumusta po?
Excuse me, sir. I couldn't hear you.
Yes, good evening. I said good evening, number 16. Kumusta?
I feel thrilled right now because being a part of the top 5 is already a win for me.
Okay, this will be your final question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Binibining Claveria 2024, what will be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation? I repeat the question. Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Binibining Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation?
My advocacy would be empowering public health through environmental sustainability. There is a lack of emergency response to in our barangays. As a Binibini, I would like to collaborate with the local government unit for my proposal of a healthcare referral system in our barangay. In this way, we could accommodate the certain health issues that the needs of every Claverianos. And in this way, Claveria will be known where people thrive as healthy individuals because health is the greatest blessing a person can ever receive. Good evening and thank you. Thank you so much for being 16. Now, calling on Binibini 2. Napakasaya mo, Binibini. Tanungin naman natin siya for a while. Anong feeling na napabalik ka back on stage, Binibini? Actually, I'm surprised. Itay nag-answer ng top 10 questions. Contento lang na langit yung top 10 naman kasi na-deliver ko na kinasaya yung question. Like, top 10 or not, okay lang. Pero why not top 5? Pero like, it was shocking talaga. Alright, I think you're very much ready for your question. Binibini 2, your question will come from Attorney Trinidad, our chair of the board.
A blessed evening, Binibini number 2. Hindi na kita tatanungin na ay nakikita ko naman na you are very happy right now. So this will be your final question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. If you win Binibining Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation? I repeat the question. A Claveriana wouldn't be complete without her principle and advocacies. if you win Binibining Claveria 2024, what would be your first advocacy and how will you ensure its implementation?
Quality education for the masses. And one word to say that is books. Quality education has always been a top priority of mine that even I wanted everyone, especially here in Cabrera, to have access to it. Actually, I have done my advocacy last year and I used the cash prize money from the title last year and gave one storybook and one dictionary to each of the elementary schools here in Cabrera. I've done it and I like it and I would be proud to do it all again. Because the greatest foundation to create our own title is not just the crown, but the wisdom and the knowledge that the mind carries. And that wraps up our final question and answer. Girls, you were truly amazing. Congratulations. And before we award our winners, let's watch this.